How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing whistling practice. That's what all these videos are for. So we'll do a 5-minute video. We'll whistle for 10 seconds, then we'll take a 50-second break. Today we'll be whistling with our fingers. So let's go. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So again, let's get started. Again, 2 fingers. Let's get started. 10 seconds. That was really good. Now that was some whistling right there. That was pretty sick. Again, it does make me lightheaded doing that for 10 seconds. So again, if you guys are doing this at home, you're getting a little bit lightheaded, do it for 5 seconds. But yeah, the key to whistling, and you guys are watching this video, you're trying to learn how to whistle. The key is suction. That is the main thing to whistle. Suction and tongue position. What you do with your hands really isn't that important. Just kind of touch your fingers and kind of make a triangle like this. And then what you want is your tongue to be like this. You want your tongue to be like this. And then all you do is you get these fingers, push against your tongue just a little bit, so like this. You push like that. But here's the main important thing, suction around these fingers like this. You want to have that suction so when you blow, it comes out here. Right there where I was pointing with my finger. That is the key. If there's any air left on the sides, like this, it won't work. You will not be able to whistle. Let's do it again. Not bad. Could have been a little bit better, but hey, we're learning. This is practice. And yeah, it's just practice. It's kind of a fun video. I do so many like workout videos during the day that I like to switch it up. I like to do one video or 2 videos that isn't necessarily related to fitness, and it just breaks up the monotony a little bit, and it's just fun. It's fun to whistle, and I've made a few videos in the past from whistling that have went viral. So whistling's really good for views, subscribers, stuff like that. So all in all, I mean, it's fun. It gets views, it gets subscribers, gets people talking, they like it. Hell, let's do it. Let's do another 10 seconds. That was good. That was damn good. Impressed with that. But again, a little bit lightheaded. So yeah, this is my 9th video. After this, going in the kitchen, gonna get me an energy drink, and then that'll kind of push me to get a few more videos done. And then from there, we will see. After I'm done 18 videos, I want to do another 9. We will see if I can push to get 30. My goal was 30 at the start of the day. I have no idea why. That is a shit ton of videos to make. But goal is to make 30 videos today. And yeah, we'll do another 10 seconds. So let's do it. Okay. Kind of sucked near the end just because I got really lightheaded. I think we did it for a little bit longer than 10 seconds, but it really hurts my lip too when doing this. So we'll do one more set of 10 seconds and then we are done. So yeah, 9 videos down, started at 8:30, probably be done by about 10:50. So about 3 hours to, no, sorry, that's not 3 hours. That's about 2 hours and a half, 2.5 hours. 2 hours and 20 minutes to make 9 videos. So that's really freaking good. Generally, it's like 3 hours to make 9 videos. So we are on pace. We are doing really well. Just gonna continue to make videos. Okay, let's do another 10 seconds. So That was dope. Near the end, wow. Okay, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Thanks.